So this is the bird cage after it's been cleaned out. And it's actually okay, I guess. And we got them a bathtub, and they're absolutely pigs. And over here are my 3 rescue birds. I got them through work. A man turned up and said that he had found them on the back of his truck. And he said 2 males and 1 female, and the female had her wings clipped. So they were totally his, and I said that I would take them because otherwise they would have been terminated, I guess. Because at my workplace we have birds outdoors, and you don't put birds that's used to live inside out with birds that lives outside in the winter. At least not where I live, because then they will die. And the yellow one, that is the female, she can't fly. And at the moment they are getting new feathers. You can see that on the green one on top of his head, if my camera would actually focus. And he is the most aggressive one out of the 3. He bites and he screams when you touch him. The other 2 are terrified when you touch them, but they don't bite, thankfully. So we only have the green one, who is totally aggressive and scared shitless. Sorry for my language, but it really angers me when people are not taking care of their animals. So, do I like them? No. Do I want them? No. Do they deserve to live? Totally. So now I have 3 birds. And hopefully I'll learn to like them, or I'll find them a very good home with other birds. And if I learn to like them, they need another bird, because the blue one is lonely in this little pack of birds. Hi! Hi! Hej tuttenutter! Hvad så? Skal I ind i buret? Pippelapper! Og pippelapper! Hej! Hej! Hvad sker der, Chew? So, the green one, his name is Anton, and the blue one is Arnold, and the yellow one is Pikachu, because she's extremely annoying and she's yellow, so Pikachu goes fine with her. So we have Pikachu, Arnold, and Anton. The 3 little rescue birds that I got for my birthday, I guess. I got them in February the 2nd, and I have my birthday on February 28th. So yay! Birthday present for myself that I don't want. Nå, skal I ind i buret? Kan I skrubbe ind i buret? Ja, nu hænger noget op derinde. Gider I så skrubbe ind? En gulerod måske? I'm telling them what I'm going to do, so I'm telling them to go inside the cage, and I'll find a carrot for them, because apparently they love carrots. These 3, at least. Well, that was one little update that turned out to be way too long.